Kelly Kinake with Impac Systems. We had an open house today. We had barbecue, we had games, we had fun. People came to learn everything about 3D printing, additive manufacturing.
The versatility of some of the things that they can make is impressive. My mind was kind of open today to the applications.
We're here at Impac Systems in Temple, Texas. Impac Systems is a great partner of ours.
The reason why we chose to partner with Big Rep was simply the technical aspects. They are well-built, solid machines.
They're celebrating their 10-year anniversary, and for a vendor, an OEM, a maker of technologies like this, to be around for that long is pretty impressive.
I really like the presentation and the showcasing.
Really excited for you guys to be here and check out the printers. Any questions? Impac team is awesome. Jason and I are here for the day as well.
I think my favorite part was just seeing all these 3D printers. So getting to experience that, see the processes behind the scenes and what's going on there, it was just a wonderful experience.